So for me, I think I mentioned that it's all about how we make these drugs that we're all trying to manufacture and develop at the moment. For us, we're obviously focused on that manufacturing piece, and it's really just about making sure that we're getting the most we possibly can out of each time we do a batch, or each week that we use in time, whether that's at the front end on getting things transferred in quickly, or whether it's on the back end on actually producing those medicines. And I think we talked about this supply chain. That's the bit of the chain that we at FUJIFILM Diosynth Biotechnologies are really focused on. And I think it's important that we all innovate in our own space. And we are focusing very strongly to innovate in that area to get the maximum amount of product we can each time we do something.